Know that RSV, respiratory syncytial virus, is one of the leading cause of hospitalization in infants and older adults, and yet most patients and caregivers have never even heard of cutting-edge tool that can slash those risks dramatically. What if I told you there is a breakthrough called Enflonsia that's silently reshaping RSV prevention but still under the radar of mainstream awareness? Stick around. I'm going to reveal the insider truth, share real world stories, and show you how influenza could change everything for the most vulnerable among us. Friends, my name is Mayank. I am a licensed pharmacist from RX Indian Pharmacist channel, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. For those who are new to my channel, I request please subscribe to my channel. You will find worth subscribing it because I bring to you the knowledgeable and useful informative videos on pharmacy. Imagine you are a recruiter at a top pediatric hospital in Boston. Every winter, you're interviewing dozens of terrified parents, babies, struggling to breathe, struggling to breathe. Alarms are sounding in NICU halls. You realize that RSV blasts through communities like an invisible storm, and yet current prevention methods like hygiene protocols, monoclonal treatments are reactive at best. Enter Enflonsia, a novel prophylactic agent still under the radar that promises proactive RSV shielding. Let's understand what is Enflonsia. Let's break it down. Enflonsia is a newly developed long-acting prophylactic antibody or potentially an inhaled nanotech barrier. It's intended to be administered once before RSV season and provides passive immunity for several months. Think of it like giving your lungs a VIP shield. No invasive every few weeks. Just one dose and you're covered. It's like the flu shot for RSV, but smarter because it sticks around, anticipates, whereas flu shots must be repeated annually. Let's understand from real world example. I brought you a case study. Little Sophia from Chicago, born prematurely. Her parents were terrified in RSV season, juggling hospital check-ins and monitoring her oxygen level. Even Sophia's pediatrician enrolled her in an Enflonsia pilot program. Her mom shared it was like a weight lifted off her shoulders. She went through winters, no RSV hospital visits. For the first time, she slept soundly. That emotional relief is priceless for her parents. A recruiter for some hospital program, when I hear that kind of story, I imagine dozens of parents breathing easier. That's the emotional core. And Enflonsia isn't just a medicine, it's a peace of mind. Now let's debunk few myths and controversies that are spreading or taking round around us. 1. RSV is just a mild cold. Wrong. In infants and elderly, it can lead to severe bronchiolitis, hospitalization, and even could cause death. Myth 2. Hand washing is enough. It's essential, but not enough for high-risk groups. Insider truth. Some critics say Enflonsia is too new, not thoroughly tested. But here is the flip side. Early data from phase 2 trials show a 70% reduction in hospitalization. That's not hype, it's data. A tipping point. Wait till RSV hits the scramble or get ahead of it. Let's compare Enflonsia with Palivizumab. Palivizumab is expensive, monthly doses, limited access, whereas Enflonsia, one dose, potentially lower cost over time, easier logistics. Now let me tell you a hack. Create RSV ready kits. One Enflonsia appointment along with familiar items like humidifier, saline drops, pulse oximeter, so you're fully prepared for the RSV season. Now let me tell you a prediction or my vision as a pharmacist point of view. If we look ahead, imagine pediatric clinics partnering with pharmacies like CVS or Walgreens offering Enflonsia during well baby visits. Hospitals could even include it in discharge planning for premature infants. I predict it in 2026 or 2027. Enflonsia become as a routine flu shots in high-risk populations. That's the kind of insider prediction that sparks and shares of the grandparents holding their first grandchild, breathing a sigh of relief, knowing there is an extra layer of protection. That's deeply emotional, right? Or parents who have lost child to RSV before, but now have a real tool to fight back because everyone wants to protect loved ones. If you find this video useful, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more pharmacy powered insights like this. Until then, see you next week. Bye for now.